Y'all, I almost started my hair without starting to record. So just so y'all can see where I am, I parted the front sections first. So I have basically half up, half down. And then I have a section here, and then a section down here that my husband's gonna help me part. Hopefully he does a good job. We will see. But I'm gonna start in the front with the braids, and I'm only gonna do it halfway because I've been looking up different ways to do it on YouTube. And basically what I've been seeing is some of the girls basically braid to about right here, and then they flip it up, like crochet it into their own hair, so that way they only have to wrap a little bit of ways down. So I'm gonna give that method a try. So if you guys wanna see how I do it, then go ahead and keep on watching. Are we friends anyway? And these are the products that I'm using. I'm using Eco Styler, brush and comb, clippies, and then this is the hair that I'm using. Afri Natural. In the color number 4. And then I'm using the Realistic Ghana Twist hair in the color number 4. So I'm using this hair to wrap it. So I'm not gonna get to these until later, but we're gonna start the braids now and then see how we feel and then go from there. Yep. First braid done. Mm-hmm. Mm. I feel like I should make it smaller. All right, this is where I'm at. I'm gonna do the rest and I'll be back. Y'all, I'm so freaking tired and stuffy, but I did the front, still have the back. But I think I'm gonna show you guys these two, and then I'm gonna do the rest of the morning because I'm tired. crochet it onto the braid. Close the hook, pull it through, and then you're gonna make a loop. Go through the base of the braid here. Put the end into the loop, and here. Close the loop, pull it through, and hook, and then you have your loop. Then I wrap this piece around just to further protect my ends. This I have. I'm using this piece. Starting with this end at the base. And I go all the way around until I run out. Then finally, there you go. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. This is what my hair looks like, y'all. Figure I'd show you before I got in the shower.